Hey guys, FJ Cuts here and we're back again with another video, guys. Guys, I am uploading again, second day in a row. Oh my days, it must be a sign, guys. I'm coming back to YouTube. But yeah, guys, this is another perm tutorial, guys. As you can see, it was just a short video. I didn't get to record the whole putting in the rods. But guys, I have other videos which I show how to do it properly and how to do it step by step. But yeah, this video, guys, I'm just showing you guys how this one turned out. And yeah, if you guys want more videos like this, because I have a lot of clips of different perms that I have, or if you guys want to see other perms that I do, just go on my Instagram. I have a lot of them, but they're just pictures, so it's just FJ Cuts. Go have a look at that. But yeah, guys, I'm using the Boots perm kit for this perm. You guys can purchase this on my website, www.fjcuts.com. and I ship internationally, guys, so anywhere in the world I can ship internationally. Delivery takes about 1 to 4 weeks depending on where and what country you are from. Yeah, I'll put in the link down below, guys, of the website. You guys can book a haircut, a perm there, or you can get your own perm kit and rods. But everything that I use in this video, guys, you can buy it on my website down below. Anyways, guys, back to the video, guys. I'm using the perm solution and I'm just saturating each rod like I always do. Make sure every hair is saturated, guys. You want to make sure all hair strands is saturated, guys, or else some will be perm, some won't. You guys need to make sure this step is correct so the neutralizer works, guys. This is basically breaking down the bonds of your hair, allowing you to achieve the curls that you want. As you can see, guys, the rods is in the brick layering method again. Make sure everything just sits perfectly like a puzzle so it gets to the roots. If you don't do this, the rods will just dangle down and you will have the roots wavy and then the ends super tight. But yeah, guys, I gave him a haircut as well. I gave him a mid fade, which giving the top of the fade a little bit of darkness, which allows the curls to sit in with the fade. And guys, after putting the perm solution, I did put some vaseline on his forehead because he did get a shape up, and it does become sensitive after putting in the solution, guys. So you get a little bit of sensitive skin sometimes after shaving when putting in these chemicals, guys. And as you can see, guys, I'm gonna put in the head cap. You guys can get the self-heating cap on my website down below at www.fjcuts.com. guys. Use FJ20 as a 20% discount. But yeah, guys, you want to leave the solution in for 1 hour. This is for tight curls. It could depend different timing for different type of curls, but for tight curls it is an hour. And after an hour, guys, I'm just gonna rinse it off with cold water, and I'm just making sure I get to each rod, making sure like the smell is gone. That's the only way I can tell that the solution is gone. So if the smell's gone, the solution's gone. That's just the way for it, guys. Okay, guys, so then I wrap the towel around his head, guys, so all the water will drip down to the towel, not around his head. And then the same thing again, guys. I use the folded kitchen roll, 3 pieces, and I cut in half, and then I made it into a bandana. And then just use a duck clip to clip it in. This will just stop the solution dripping down, going down to his face, and that's the same thing for the towel, guys. I'm telling you, he can breathe, guys, don't worry. But now, guys, I'm using the perm neutralizer, and I'm just putting it around the rods, guys, making sure every hair is saturated again. Yeah, guys, you can use any type of perm kit that there is out there, but this is the ones I use. Yeah, guys, all the other perm kits that you guys send me and ask me, do they work? They should work, guys. Just check the instructions. If they're similar to what I use, then they should work. The ones I give, guys, is mostly tight curls, so I do usually leave the solution in for longer. But if you want wavy, you could leave it in for less. I have a lot more video, guys. I could explain this. Just comment down below what you want, and I'll try and get a video out as soon as possible. But yeah, guys, after that, you want to pat it dry and replace the bandana type around his head. You don't want to leave the old bandana type because that's where the solution is soaked in. If you leave it in, it could irritate the skin, so just change the tissue, guys. and you want to put the cap again and leave this solution in for another hour. Guys, you can look at the instructions down below. I did write it all up. And after that, you want to wash it out again, guys, making sure there's no more smell. You will smell a little bit, but as long as the harshness of the smell is gone, it's done, guys. Yeah, so that's after an hour. Wash it out and then you're good to go. Yeah, guys, so after washing it again, you just want to wash out the rods after. Just throw away the end paper, guys, because they're not really reusable, sorry. And yeah, the perm is done, and I'll dry it after this, guys, since you always ask me to dry the hair after. You guys can get the hair diffuser attachment on my website as well. It's just a diffuser it just spreads the airflow of the blow dryer outwards instead of just at one direction. I didn't use it in this video because he didn't really need it. I use my fingers to, you know, split up the curls in each rod, making it more fuller as well, guys. If you guys want to see how to style perm, guys, I will have a video out very soon. Just bear with me, guys. But then yeah, guys, after this perm, you want to leave this whole process untouched, without water, no shampoo, no nothing. You guys could use a little bit of conditioner, but I don't recommend it. Just let the hair settle in, and you don't want to wash it for 2 days, guys. That's 48 hours. You don't want to wash it. And yeah, you're done, guys. The full instructions is down below. If you guys have any questions, just message my Instagram or my socials on the bottom right corner, and yeah, I should be able to answer your questions there. So I'm just gonna dry the hair, guys, with a blow dryer. So yeah, guys, I'm just drying it with the hair dryer, guys, and I'm just messing around with the hair with my fingers, and I'm just basically just splitting it up, making it more fuller, giving it more volume. I'm just lifting it up. I'm basically making my fingers as a comb pick instead of a comb pick, because a comb pick will just comb it out and it'll make it very frizzy, guys. So just use your fingers. But yeah, guys, this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looked like after, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, guys, I have a lot more videos coming, so make sure you get that notification bell on, and more videos will come. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Peace.